AWS. Course in Chennai. Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Transitioning from certification to profession. AWS. Career opportunities. Introduction to AWS. Certification. AWS. Certifications focus on theoretical knowledge but require additional training for practical application. AWS. Training courses in Chennai provide excellent training for the candidates where they can get hands-on experience with expert coaches. AWS. Career options. AWS. Certification opens doors to various roles like cloud architects, developers, systems administrators, DevOps engineers, security engineers, network engineers, data architects, and consultants, where people work on creating, maintaining, securing, and optimizing the virtual spaces in the cloud. Each role plays a crucial part in making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Cloud operations and development. Cloud operations development engineers create and improve the tools a company uses in the cloud, while cloud systems administrators take care of those tools and make sure they are always working well. It is a tag team effort to keep things running smoothly in the digital world. Security and networking in the cloud. Cloud security engineers protect your digital treasures. Cloud network engineers build and maintain the roads for your digital traffic. Both are essential for a safe and smooth journey in the world of cloud computing. Data management and consulting. Cloud data architects and cloud consultants design and construct a specialized digital space for businesses to manage and use their information better using a powerful tool called AWS. AWS Cloud Solutions can boost their careers and earn more money.